Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video I'm introducing to you guys this platform called trxhg.net. Guys, this is a platform that is going to help you make money using by investing and trading your trons, and I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know from the very first step to the last very step. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click on the link in the description box below so that you'll be brought straight to this page here where you can sign up. Okay, so once you want to sign up, you need to enter your mobile number. All you just need to do is to enter your mobile number, then you select the login and make sure that you confirm the login here. When you do that, you need to register. So for this invitation code, if you click on the link I have in the description box below, it's going to fill it out, or you can use my own invitation code. I have everything in the description box below. So I have an account, so I will just try to log in my account right now, so that we'll continue, and I'll continue to show you what the platform is and how you can make money with the platform. So guys, there is the platform. Immediately you sign up, you're going to see this page. So immediately you sign up, you're going to get 30,000 NFT gifts. Okay, so it's going to be in your balance, and as you can see, here are some of the info you need to read in order to understand exactly what the platform is all about. So there are a lot of more deposits. If you deposit 200 trons every day and send 10,000 gifts back every day, and as you can see, you need to read all this stuff, okay, to understand what the platform is. But I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know so that you get idea of what we're talking about here. Now, once you've done that, immediately come here, you're going to see your balance. You're going to have these balances, as you can see right here. This is a new account, and this is how your account is going to be like. So once you have this right now, I want to show you how can you make money with this platform. Now you need to deposit trons in this platform in order for you to trade and in order for you to invest. I'm going to show you the two basic method where you can make money. Is either you recharge your basic account, or you make money with the promotional account. Now the basic account is going to allow you mine incomes. That's a lot of, it has some percentage you can mine each day. I think 5% depending on the amount of trons you invest. And the other account, the promotional one, is going to, as you can see, this is the promotional account. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the promotional account. So this is going to give you benefits on every member you refer to the platform. Okay, so very simple. So to do that, all we need to do, let me show you some of the investment packages and whatnot. So these are the investment packages they have, and as you can see, the cycle here is the first one. The cycle is 30 days and USDT regular investment. So right here, as you can see here, this is the amount. So if you invest 100 USDT, this is the starting amount, which is 100 USDT, and the maximum investment amount is this 99,400 USDT, and it's 30 days. Okay, and the interest rate is 8.0, and the number of investment is max. Okay, and you need to enter your security details and then participate in the investment. So you can also trade. Once you go to this trade section, you're going to see something like this. You can also mine from this platform. Okay, so very simple right now. So go back to the home page so that we can talk about basically other things. So right now, in order for you to make money in this platform, you need to recharge your account in this platform. Now I'm going to be showing you live exactly how to recharge your account, and I'm also going to show you exactly how to withdraw. So make sure to watch this video to the end in order for you to get all the value needed. So right now, there are a lot of benefits on this site, or on this website. Okay, and I'm going to show you some of them immediately. Okay, so for you to recharge, all you need to do is to click on this recharge section right here, and it's going to bring you straight to this point. As you can see here, you have two methods to recharge. Either you recharge to your basic account, or you transfer to investment account. So investment is divided into two models. One, recharge into the basic account and receive income according to the Singapore time zone after 24 hours every day. So you're going to be receiving income after 24 hours every day. Then the second one is to recharge into the investment account. You can receive income according to different cycles, return the principal and income upon maturity. Okay, so note, before investing, please choose a basic account or an investment account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the amount to be recharged. This is a very critical issue, so you need to wait for the amount to reflect in this your account for you to be able to take any action. So if you want to recharge now, let's say I want to recharge into my basic account, which is this one. Okay, so I'll just click on basic transfer to basic account. So immediately I click on that, it's going to bring us to this section right here, and in this section right now we need to copy this Tron's address. As you can see here, this is Tron's USD, this is their Tron's address, and once I click on this copy address, it's going to copy it. Then it says here, please don't recharge other non-trust asset. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after charging. If it hasn't arrived for a long time, please refresh the page. So once again, I'll copy this, and immediately we've copied it, now we need to go to our wallet, crypto wallet. So for this case, I'm going to be using Trust Wallet. Of course, you can use any crypto wallet. As far as you have Trons, you can transfer and you can receive Trons from there, no problem. So I'm going to enter my logins right now, and we are going to log in. Okay, so I'm inside my Trust wallet. So right now I need to transfer Trons, so I just go to Trons and go to send. Okay, and go to amount. Let me just say I want to do 10 Trons. Okay, so recipient address, I'll just paste the address that I copied. So once I do that, as you can see here, this is it. And once I'm okay with it, I just click on continue, and it's going to transfer. Okay, it told me to confirm. Once I confirm this, it's going to transfer the 10 Trons to that platform, Okay, so I click on confirm now, and I'm asked to enter my password. I'll just use my thumbnail, and it's going to load, and yes, it has transferred the 10 Trons to our wallet. As you can see here, this is the transaction details, and the transaction is done already. Yes, I received the alert notification as well on my phone to show me that I've sent some money out. So just now go back to this platform and click recharge completed, and they'll say application submitted. So they are going to submit application just to inform their staff that I've recharged my basic account so that I can start mining and making money. So once you've recharged and everything, you're good to go. So right now we need to continue with what we are doing. So guys, right now we have recharged our account, so now we need to actively withdraw our profit every day, or mine our profit every day from the platform, so that we can have enough money. So I just refreshed it, so that as you can see right now, this is exactly what I was looking for. The 10 Trons we deposit or recharge as reflected. As you can see, this is it. It was 3,000, or is it 30,000 or 300,000 right now? But as you can see, this is the 10 Trons we deposited, and it's here, and we can mine it every day. We can collect the proceeds every day. So right now, if you want to withdraw the same thing, all you just need to do is to go to this section called withdrawal, and it's going to ask you for your withdrawal details. As you can see, daily withdrawal limit, this is my daily withdrawal limit, and it's still basically small, but as soon as you continue with this platform, you're going to be increasing your daily withdrawal limit. So all I just need to do is to enter my withdrawal address. So we can find our withdrawal address same place if we go to Trust Wallet. If you go to Trust Wallet, you are going to find our withdrawal address. So just go to Trust Wallet, then let me enter my password, and it's loading. So just go to this Tron section and click receive, and it's going to pop up this. You just copy our receiving address and paste it here, and withdrawal limit, we already know this is the limit, 0.5. So just say 0.5, and security code is your password. So once you enter that password, you're going to click submit, and it's going to withdraw the money into your account. So I'm going to enter my security code right now so I can withdraw this stuff. So right now I've entered my security code. So once you've done that, you just need to click on this submit section, and it's going to success. As you can see right here, it has successfully withdrawn that amount for us, and it's going to be credited. As you can see, I've received the alert. This is it. This is the alert. I've received it right now. So that's how you withdraw, and that's how you recharge on this platform. I'm still going to talk about more other stuff. Okay, so keep watching, and I'm going to show you more things. Okay. Yeah, so that's how you withdraw the money. So the money will be straight to your it's going to go straight to your crypto wallet. Okay, so that's it. So one of another ways you can make money from this platform is to refer people. So you're going to refer people, and once they sign up, you're going to get some commission on every money they mine or they invest on the platform. So to do that, all you need to do is to go to this share option. So once you click on this share button right here, you're going to see this your link, this code or this link. So you just need to copy this link, and you're going to share it on your Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp or anywhere that you know that people can sign up here and they'll be interested to mine or invest on this platform. So this is how you are going to make more money for yourself from this platform. So guys, I believe you're understanding what I'm showing you, and this thing, as you can see, you need to start doing this stuff so that you can start making money for yourself on this platform. So there are other stuff right here you can check up on your own to see how it goes and everything you need to do and anything you need to see. So guys, I'm gonna be stopping right here. I'm gonna also be trying to do more videos about it for you if you want it. So if you have any question, you can also contact their support, and click on this mine section. You're going to see this contact us here, and you can contact them, and you can also submit a ticket, and if you have more questions, they are going to answer you. So right now I'm going to stop on this place, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. So make sure you stay cool, you stay blessed, and you keep investing, and so that you keep making more money for yourself. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.